Hi there, welcome to another tutorial in Canva. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through the process of creating a nice drip effect like this in Canva. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Open up a new design tab in Canva with the size as a Facebook landscape post. I have my background set up, which is basically a shape that's a rectangle in this case with a gradient color added to it. If you don't know how to add a gradient to a shape in Canva, you can check out my video on top of the screen on how to create and edit gradients in Canva. Let's move on. So the next thing to do now is we are going to go to text, click on add the heading. We are going to add our text drip. So now we are going to increase the size of the text. I'm going to scale it up and I'm going to position it at the center. So we are going to be changing the font to a bold display font so that the effect can pop out more. So now I'm going to go to the fonts and search for golf display. Okay, we have it right here. I'm going to select this. So nice. I'm going to scale it up a bit. Nice. Can you see the font also plays a critical role in the effect? So the next thing we want to do now is we're going to change the color of the drip so that the contrast can be better than this. So the next thing I'm going to add, now down to the most exciting part. Let's add the drip effect now. The next thing is you head up to elements and search for drip. And you're going to go under graphics. Can you see a lot of options coming out here? So we have different ones. We have both for free and paid version. But for the benefit of those using a free account, I'm just going to go ahead and select a free graphic element. So I'm going to click on this. So yeah, the color is black at the moment, but we can always edit that. So I'm just going to come right at the bottom of this place and place it somewhere around here. I'll scale it up a bit. So now you are going to change the color to white. But should in case the color you use for your text is different, you are going to change the color of the drip element to the color of your text. So now I'm going to change the color to a white color. Nice. Can you see we have our drip effect coming in closely? So now I'm going to go back to elements again and search for drip. Okay, yes, so we have other options and I'm going to select something like okay, this. So now I'll drag it to the bottom of the R letter. I'm going to scale it up, and same thing, you are going to change the color. So one thing to notice, some of these graphic elements might come in two colors. So to make things easy, you are going to change both colors to a white color. So changing it to a white color, which is because my text is also in white. So now I'm going to scale it a bit so that it will fit properly. Nice. Can you see we have our drip effect coming up slowly? So now we are going to copy and paste this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, so that we can use it somewhere else, somewhere around here. So now we are going to reduce the size a bit and drag it to the bottom. Can you see we have it coming up nice and easy? So the next thing is we are going to also go back to elements and search for another drip effect. I think I like this. Let's see for another option. Okay, I have something like this. Nice. So I'm going to scale it up a bit. I want to place this under the letter I, and I'm going to reduce it a bit and place it at the bottom. Don't forget to also change the color to white color, or the color of your text, depending on what color you are using. So nice. So here we have our drip effects ready. You can play around with more effects and try to give it more look as you want. Don't forget to like and share. Coming across my YouTube channel for the first time, hit the subscribe button so that you can stay updated when I drop new exciting posts like this.